Hey, I'm your friendly supplement rep, and here's the truth. Real results start with your mitochondria. These tiny power plants turn food and stored fat into energy. When they're sluggish, everything feels slower: metabolism, energy, mood. MITOLYN supports mitochondrial activity with a clean, plant-based formula. Inside, maqui berry, rhodiola, haematococcus, astaxanthin, amla, theobroma, cacao, and schisandra. Customers love the steady energy and confidence they feel. No jitters, just smooth, sustained energy to power your day. Manufactured in the USA at FDA-registered, GMP-certified facilities. Non-GMO, plant-based, easy to swallow. See ingredients, science, and the 90-day money-back guarantee at MITOLYN.com. Best value, multi-bottle bundles plus bonuses and free US shipping on select packs. Take one capsule daily with water-simple routine, meaningful support. MITOLYN, support your cells, feel the difference.